Tactic number 4 to getting your offer accepted in 2023 is to waive all or part of your home inspection. Now, you can waive some of your home inspection by simply applying a cap to the amount that you might go back to the seller for, say $5,000 or more. We're not going to bother you for anything smaller than that. Or you may tell the seller that, we'll waive it all together, which I don't recommend, of course. But you may also indicate that you're just waiving it for health and safety waiving it for all but health and safety issues specifically. So that'll show the seller that you're really not there to nickel and dime them to death. So talk with your real estate agent about this, your real estate advisor, discuss with them when it's appropriate to do this, whether it is needed at all, and what ways you can do this safely, perhaps. Again, you should always have your family, friends, coworkers, whoever behind you. When you do buy that home, maybe they can advise you or give you better advice on how to repair things in the home that are smaller. Have contractors lined up if there are issues that you need to reach out to them for. Your real estate agent's going to be a great source for those types of referrals. Additionally, you can have a savings plan in place for emergencies after closing. So don't use up all your money when you buy the home if you are going to waive your home inspection, because you may need to use $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 to fix or replace something. Basically, you're self-insuring yourself from major or minor issues in most cases when you do buy a home. So I hope this has helped you. Good luck with home shopping this spring, and call it and reach out to us anytime you do need some help. Thanks and take care.